Hello and good afternoon, colleagues. This is Mr. Grenland here, and I'm going to show you how to set up calendar slots to answer this fine gentleman's email. He's got an office hours form that he sends out to everyone, and he wants people to sign up, and he gives them instructions really nicely laid out. However, we can do this automatically inside of Google Calendar and link it to Zoom, so you don't have to provide all of this information in various places. So let's get to it. We're going to open up Google Calendar. Now, typically, we have office hours from 1 to 3 or 1 to 2:30. And so I'm going to draw a big block here. And I'm going to click on appointment slots. And each of these is going to be the number of minutes that you want it to be. I'll do 15 minutes. And there's more options, and you can make it a Zoom. So I'm going to click Make It a Zoom. And I'm going to click on it again to edit it. Just take a look at all the options. So it's going to give out this link to everyone. That's looking good. Now what I want to edit here is the repeating factor here. So I'm going to have it do this on a custom rotation schedule. So every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, so weekdays, we're going to meet from 1 to 2 and have appointment slots open every 15 minutes. We'll have it end at the end of the trimester. On the 24th. We're going to click Done and Save. We're going to click one more time on this. We're going to go to appointment page for this calendar. Now this is the link that you can actually send out to your parents. I'm going to right click and copy this link. Now inside of my email account, I'm going to go to the gear icon. Open up my profile. See all settings. And on my signature line, I can make this a link. So I can do something like click here. I can click the link button or do Control K. Now I can paste in that URL that I copied before. And then obviously save this. So now when I send a message to someone or reply to someone, they can click on my button here and it'll take them to this page here where they can click and they can type in their meeting name and what they want to meet about. They can change the description, and the Zoom link is automatically saved here and would update their calendar also. And that's one way that you can use appointment slots to set up office hours.